A stand for soldering iron is an indispensable tool for radio composition works. It plays a very significant role by ensuring safe and convenient working with the soldering iron. Securing safe working conditions is one of the requirements to the stand. The soldering bit gets very hot under high temperatures and therefore becomes fire-hazardous and cause injuries. The stand must isolate hot elements of the soldering iron from surrounding objects and must not get heated to high temperatures, which can damage objects, or cause inflammation or burns. It must provide a high usability. STAND60 Soldering Iron stand meets the requirements mentioned above. It is composed of a soldering iron holder and a spool holder and sponge for cleaning of the bit. The construction eliminates contact between a heated bit and other objects and any parts of the body of the user. It also ensures efficient protection of the holder from iron tearing. The contact of the bit and other parts of the holder is eliminated, and the heat from the soldering iron is efficiently diffused. Thus, the stand ensures safe operation. The stand is very comfortable due to the construction of the soldering iron holder, in which you can easily insert and take out, and the spool holder, and the sponge for cleaning of the bit. The spool is easily inserted into the holder. Now everything is firmly fixed. STAND60 ensures a very comfortable and very safe and high efficiency working environment.